Okay, I'll give you that link too. Okay, now MFHF trans receiver and MFHF DSC. Okay, now this is RE2100. So receiver and exciter means receiver and exciter, transmitter, both. Okay, now this part we have already recorded the other day. Now let us do the MFHF DSC in details. Comparing the MFHF DSC with the VHF. Okay, there are only two switches which are different. One is CAN and one is 2187.5. You can see that?
Yes, sir.
VHF address book. Here it is CAN and 2187.5 in MFHF. Rest all switches are same. Okay. So now we go back to MFHF. Now you switch it on. The functions are also similar. Okay. Sending by distress, only in this case it will ask you which frequency. Okay. Like exactly as what he said, area A2, area A3 and A4 also, and you select accordingly A2, A3, A4 which frequency you want. Okay, now let us say we want to go on 2187.5. You press this, select the nature of distress, next. Now in this case it is asking you telecom, means next means of telecommunication, and teleprinter. Now telecommunication will be telephony and teleprinter will be by telex. Okay, NBDP, TOR, whatever. And I select telephony. Now position 2 volt it is telling you, so I have got to update. So let us make sure GPS is on or off. Okay, now the equipment is telling you please press distress and send. If you press both the buttons, distress and send, by the split cursor, okay, now the distress will go in how much time?
6.2 to 7.2 second.
After we press it for 5 seconds.
After we press for 5 seconds. Okay, good. Nice way of modifying answer. Smart. So इधर बोल दिया 0.5 seconds में जाएगा. Okay, anyway, so I press. Now 7.2. Looking at the book, you can answer beautifully. Anyway, so now if this switch is, if this trans receiver is off, will this go? No. That means the power is here. Okay, on 2 megahertz, 400 watts, on HF 1500 watts is here. इधर है ना power?
Yes, sir. Yes,
ये देखो. So now I have to make sure this equipment is on and press send. It is going within the span of 6.2. HF occupied means it is telling you that the MFHF DSC has occupied this for a period of 7 seconds. Do not do anything during that period. Okay, only for that 7 seconds. Okay, so after 7 seconds it will come back on its own. In this the time is a bit more. Okay, and your equipment will again start listening to your normal DSC. Okay, now you have sent it on 2187.5, you can send it on 8414, you can go on telex mode. How to go on telex mode I'll show you. Now see, this will repeat after 3.5 to 4.5 minutes. Now you come here, you make your DSC call for distress and DSC message on 2182. Okay, if you want to send it on HF 8414, what do? Press next, select nature of distress, next you select next telecommand, telephony, press distress and send. Again if you press these two buttons, you have to physically go here on which frequency?
8414. RT frequency.
RT frequency.
We have to go to 180.
You have sent the alert on 8414. 8291. So that means you have to press here 8291. Enter. Come to TX. All pay attention. 8291. Enter TX tune and pick up the handset and say Mayday, 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 the call and the message. Clear now? This part is clear? Okay. If you are sending it on another frequency, okay, if you press distress and send here you will have to punch 4125, both transmit receive. Here if you select this
6215.
6215, you know 8414 8291, here 12290. Good. Here 420. Okay. So now all clear now.
Yes, sir.
Very easy, very easy. Okay. See, this is kind of a multiple VHF DSC. Okay, multiple VHF DSC. Now, what is the way of sending distress through call edit mode? Call edit, select distress, exactly similar to VHF DSC. Select distress, select the frequency. Okay, select nature of distress. Okay, now in this case it will ask you again what is the tele command. So in these types of communication you will get all the telex and telephones one by one. Now this means ARQ, F1B, J2B, radio telex 1 to 1. Remember I taught you?
Yes, sir.
ARQ. Then this one is F1B, J2B receive, like your Navtex, only receiving. This is sending, receiving both on telex. This is telephony simplex, like 2182. Both frequencies have to be same, sending, receiving. This is duplex, sending, receiving can be different on telephony. This is J3 pre-selected channel, like the other day I showed you, channel 401, 402, all preset channels. H3, the older version of 2182. Forward error correction means broadcast. From your end, broadcast, you can do that. Okay. ARQ, but what will you select here?
Duplex.
J3, because whatever corresponding is 2182. Okay, so 2182 J3. Okay, next, press both the buttons. Okay, once again, you want to send it on higher frequency, go to distress, select nature of distress, J3, send. Simple. Now you know how to send distress by call edit method. Okay. You want to send urgency, call edit. Urgency can go to all ships or selective depending on the message. Now in this case, if you are making a call to all ships, you will have to punch in the DSC frequencies. Pay attention, you will have to punch in the DSC frequencies. There are no preset channels in DSC. ये channel है, there is no channel in DSC. Channels are only in telephony. So you will have to come here. How will you come there?
TX and RX.
2187.5, because these are call on. So please remember, call on DSC, work on RT. लिख के रखो. Call on DSC, work on RT, because that is what we actually do.
Yes, sir.
Don't put in any RT frequencies there, because you are calling from a DSC. The work on will be telephony or telex. Okay, so now I put this, I put 2187.5. Enter first. Now pay attention here.
Sir.
Always press enter first and then press next. Okay, now it is asking you priority, distress or urgency. We have to select urgency. Yes. J3 next means of communication. No information. Now you can select the preset channels which I told you, but there are no preset channels on MF. So you want to call on 2187.5 and tell the coast station that please listen to me on 401 HF possible. Okay, so if you do not want to do that, you can put your work on 2182 2182. Enter first and then press next. Send the call. Okay, so now you understood. If you want to make a call urgency to a selective station, individual
Yes.
call station, you can select ABCD, whatever, go up and down. Barcelona. Next, select, this is urgency frequency, urgency priority, yes, J3 yes, no information yes, work frequency if you want you can select 202 yes, answer expected yes means you want a reply on DSC, answer expected yes. You do not want a reply on DSC, you want him to come directly on your 2182, answer expected no. Okay, so I want a reply back on DSC. So next, send. See, the MMSI number of the coast station Barcelona has come automatically on its own. AC killer. Okay, press send. Now call edit. I want to make a safety call to all stations. Next, yes, correct frequency. Next, safety, J3 voice communication, yes. Now I want to change to a working frequency. I do not want to make the safety call on 202. I can do that, but let us do the correct procedure. Come to 2182, make an announcement and then go to the corresponding frequency. Okay, so now press next. I press send. Again blocked for how much time? 6.2 to 7.2 seconds. So blocked here, it will send, and now you can punch your 202 directly. Pick up the handset, say security 3 times, all station 3 times, this is your ship's name, call sign 3 times, please listen to me on some working frequency. So I'm assuming it is 2045. So for navigational warning, now I go to 2045, enter 2045, enter. What mistake I'm making? TX. Okay, TX 2045, enter. Now before transmitting, press TX and TO so that your antenna is aligned on its own correctly, okay, by the ATO. Now pick up the handset, you can make the security call again and the security message saying that so and so is the message, navigational warning so and so, whatever, out, goodbye. Okay, so now you know what are the basic things of urgency safety. So we have compared the VHF DSC with the MFHF DSC.
When we will increase the TX power?
When will increase depending on what distance you are. Generally, if you are transmitting safety, you can increase the power while transmitting, okay, to the maximum. Okay, during working, if you find a station which is closer, you may reduce the power. Okay,
Yes.
depending on the distance between the station or stations. But generally, distress urgency safety is all you can send on maximum power. Okay, now you know what is functions, you know received messages 2187.5. Now you are in area A3, you are in area A3 and you have received something on 2187.5. Can you receive? Yes, no problem. You are in area A2 and you have received on 2187.5. Yes.
Yes.
Now, once the distress starts on 2187.5, you need not keep the scanning watch. You need not keep the scanning watch, because scanning, what is it receiving? We have seen that. Steps, it is receiving 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, back to 2. So all the 6 frequencies it is scanning. It is scanning very quickly. Any one of the 6 is received, it will remain there till the alert is received. Clear this?
Yes.
Now, your next communication has already started on distress. Whatever you are doing, search and rescue, locating, whatever, has started on 2182. Will you scan the equipment? No. Will you remain on scan? Why should you scan? Why should you scan? You go straight away to 2187.5. Finished. Your equipment will only receive on 2187.5. Okay. If you have received a DSC alert, say distress, on 2187.5, instead of that you have received it on 8414. So you need not scan the equipment. You go to remain here. It will receive only on one frequency. Okay?
Yes.
You are asking something?
But sir, it receives through the MMHF transmission.
No. No, this has got a separate antenna of its own. This has got a separate antenna of its own. For receiving, for transmitting, since it does not have power, it is utilizing this. Exactly like reagent. Okay. Some of the new models where this one is incorporated within this, yes. In that case, it is having only one antenna.
So if I get a alert on 2 megahertz, then I can't receive it or any other, because the antenna won't be tuned for it.
No, this antenna. This antenna.
No, you told me that in the new equipment it is into one only.
But how much time do you require to receive the alert?
But if we are
Alert, how much time do you require?
3 point.
7.2 seconds. That's enough. So that is, by the time you press the pressel and leave it, within that time it will come. Have you seen WhatsApp? When you are using the WhatsApp,
Yes.
you are sending something, and then the moment you finish sending, your message comes in. Why? It was waiting. It will do that. Only during transmission of telephony, as you said, if it is a 1 unit, then this, if you are transmitting here, if there is a break, during that time also it will receive. Don't worry, because a small break is required a few seconds for it to come in. Okay, this is what happens on your mobile also. Okay. Now scanning part is clear. Scanning, you can scan. Now on the live equipment, this scanning can be made in a different way. Means here, in that this scanning can be used for routine DSC frequencies also. In your textbook it is there, no? Routine DSC frequencies are also there, but for that routine generally is between ship and shore. Ship to ship, only one routine frequency is there. What is that? DSC
2177.
2177, ship to ship. That's all. So in this equipment, if you want to scan and receive on 2177, can you do that? No. So is it possible to do it here?
Yes.
Scanning.
Yes.
See? So you've got two equipment. Like you're saying, if it is 2 in 1, there could be a possibility of scanning more. The more and more advanced the equipment will become. Now in this scanning, you can put in some more frequencies. That is what you put in, it will scan to those. But that is dedicated for only distress. Only distress, nothing more. Okay? So now clear? Any doubts here?
Sir,
We have done all the functions.
we can operate the transceiver from the DSC.
From the DSC? No, this has got its own antenna. this has got its own antenna along with ATU. Yes. Now this question is very valid. Supposing out at sea you have got two antennas which are 6 meters, you are using one for incoming DSC only and sending through this. In this, what all things you can send? You can see the mode. If you remember the modes which I have shown you, okay, you will have telex mode, you will have telephony mode, you will have DSC sending through this. You seen that, no? So this equipment can send DSC, send receive RT, send receive telex also, but one at a time, because one antenna. Okay. Now his question was, in case this equipment antenna fails, breakdown, this antenna is also exactly same length. Physically you can disconnect the antenna from here and put it here and use your telephony, but it's not an easy job. Okay, you'll have to remove the connections and connect it here because it's the same antenna. Physically, in bad weather, if the things drop down, you also have a spare wire aerial on each ship. So when you go on ship, please check in case damage, because that 6 meter antenna is quite tall, so it may get damaged. So you will always have a spare antenna to use that. Okay, now this part is clear. So we have completed. Now let me recheck. VHF DSC, this done, this done. Okay, have you completed this?
Yes, sir.
All clear?
Yes, sir.
Have you completed this?
Clear, sir.
This?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसका स्विच ऑन करके नहीं है हुआ.
Means the simulated one you have not seen.
No, sir.
Okay. Now press this. Nothing is happening. So keep it pressed. Watch now. Keep it pressed. And it will work. Now I have given you those 7, 8, 10 points for the manufacturing requirement of this two-way walkie-talkies, lifeboat walkie-talkies. What are those requirements? Waterproof or watertight? Watertight. Then
No sharp edges should be there.
no sharp edges. Very good.
Should
One
be
by
able
one.
to press from
Highly
gloves
visible.
after wearing gloves.
Okay, you should be able to press it
Drop
comfortably.
resistant.
It should
Okay.
contain
1 meter.
Resistance up to
1 meter.
1 meter. Very good. He said something more.
Primary seal battery.
Primary seal.
Yes, my battery is exclusively for emergencies. Okay.
And sir, in this walkie-talkie, sir,
certified candidate.
Okay, easy usable thing for any answer.
in GMDSS lifeboat walkie-talkie, sir, channel 16 is available.
Bright in color.
Channel
One by
16,
one, one by one.
channel solar channel 06 and
06.
Okay, the answer is quick selection of channel 16 with one button. This is what we are going to do now. And
06.
any other one channel. Okay, any other one channel. This is the requirement. Quick selection means you may have 16 here, you may have 06 here. Okay, but in this case, this model gives you selection of two channels which are quickly selected. You know, channel A and channel B. Now you see channel A has been
67.
quick preset with 67. Can we change? Yes, we can change. How do you change? Always channel first. What do I want to put? 06?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So where is channel? Channel here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, channel 06. Okay,
Yes.
agreed?
Yes.
Now pay attention. There is a lock. चाबी है.
Yes, sir.
चाबी खोलो. Keep A pressed for few seconds. Pay attention. If you do it incorrectly, it will not be saved. Okay. So press the key. One small key will come here. See that? Keep A pressed. Check now. 16. Done?
yes, sir.
Now you want to put 13 here. You put here, it is telling you it's 67. So what do you do? Channel first.
13.
Keep chabi. Wait for that channel flickering to stop. Key. Quickly keep B pressed. Leave it. Check. Now you know.
Yes, sir.
This is quick selection pre-setting. 16 is by default. Now this is your choice. The requirement is only one channel. We have got two channels pre-selection. Okay.
Yes sir.
Then one more thing which you have told me, eye catchy luminous colors, yellow, orange.
और इसमें
Yes,
सर
sir.
रात में भी एक होता है स्लाइड बटन करेंगे तो रात
Yes, 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 yes. We have got. There is something which I can see
में
that
इसमें है सर जो लाइव था वहाँ पे उसमें था।
you can increase and decrease the dimmer. Okay. Now you must know what is the power of this.
1 watt.
0.252 1 watt, sir.
See, there is power. Now power, it is telling you power is on something high there.
1 watt.
Okay. Can I reduce it to low? Can I increase it to high? So please remember what is low and what is high. It is in decimal, so that figure you will have to remember correctly. Okay. Now this is for speaker. Now okay, let us say volume. By default it is volume is, you can increase the volume. The maximum volume is 15. Okay, maximum volume is 15. But you want to keep this walkie-talkie away from you. You are doing something, you are pulling something using both the hands. You are putting it into the jacket, casket, whatever. So you can increase the volume, like you put your mobile on speaker. Same way you can press the speaker here. Okay, keep it pressed. You can see that speaker there.
Yes, sir.
Now the volume has increased little more. From 15 it has still gone more. You will not be able to see it, but practically it has gone to roughly 22. Okay, so that means if you put the speaker on, you can keep the walkie-talkie away from you and keep it little away from you and listen to it. Okay, so speaker on, speaker off. Now you press anything, the speaker connected here,
Yes, sir.
Yes
but it is not showing. Okay, not connected.
So वहाँ से volume
Okay, it is showing that sound, no? Okay, now what is this switch? This switch is for the keypad. Keypad, you press this and then the keypad, that
Yes.
tuk sound is coming. If you press this, the sound will go. Keep this pressed. Now the sound will go. So sound yes, sound no. Okay, so now you know
S key.
all the functions. Squelch. You can adjust the squelch. For the weaker signal you can reduce it. Okay, so now you know volume, speed selection, A, B, squelch, channel up and down, power high low, speaker, programming of channels, keypad selection, and switch it off. Okay, so please remember those 8-10 points, intrinsically save whatever you should be able to answer during your oral.
So this high power, low power. उसका
है ना, देखो ना एग्जैक्ट. आई वांट you to remember the, he is given you the approximate answer. Okay, now GPS, so you know.
T-time.
Okay, SAT, have you seen the SAT on
Yes.
the radar?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have seen.
Okay,
In this simulator, we have also seen. Radar, second one, sir.
ऑन करेंगे इसको।
On. First, we have to switch it on. Shorts.
शॉर्ट को ऑन करेंगे अंगूठे से
इस साइड सर.
सर अंगूठे से सीधा
नहीं
ऑन
नहीं, I know. I have to switch it on.
यस सर हो गया
Okay. Seen those?
यस सर
Concentric circles.
ये VHF डूबता है या फ्लोट करता है, मतलब पाइप मतलब मिस्टेक गिर गया पानी में।
डूबता है.